Hey everybody, Dave Fontaine here at Wayne Toyota with one of the industry's best retain value vehicles, the Toyota 4Runner. Today I'm going to be talking to you about our 2016 that we just have taken into inventory. This vehicle has just around the 109,000 kilometer mark and is accident free. As you can see, it comes with fog lights. If we move over to the side, you can see it has 17-inch aluminum rims with Bridgestone tires. Comes standard with running boards. Just going to open it up and show you a few features inside. This here is to power an outlet that is in the back. It comes with leather seats in the front and rear, powered, heated. Standard in this vehicle is navigation, satellite radio, and Bluetooth. And of course it has a sunroof. As we move to the second row, you can see there's lots of leg room. Those are the winter mats that come with the vehicle, and it has a 60-40 split option. The rear of the vehicle, you can see that it comes standard with a tow package, wired, ready to go. And of course it does come with a backup camera, and this window here will completely open. Inside the vehicle, you can see that it is a 7-passenger vehicle. If you do need that third row, it's there for you. Otherwise, with it down, you have tons of cargo space. That's our 2016 4Runner. I'm Dave Fontaine. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call today. And thanks again, and always stay safe.